Hare Krishna. So here someone asks a question that initially their family has been worshipping Lord Shiva for generations, and now this boy in this family is visiting ISKCON, Hare Krishna, and chanting and following some programs. So he starts identifying himself as a Vaishnava. Does this effect, change, offend his family traditional beliefs? And so, exactly what is ISKCON trying to do? Change people's belief or what? Well, according to the Tattva, there is only one Supreme Lord, that is Lord Sri Krishna, and he comes and gives his bona fide sampradayas, his bona fide schools or disciplic succession where you can connect with him. For those who do not want to worship Lord directly because they have some other desires, so then there are many, many different Devi Devatas who are there, demigods as they say, who are there. And the head among them is Lord Shiva, who has his own following and his own people, and those who do not want to surrender to Vishnu, Krishna, so they worship him. But Shastras do declare that Vaishnavanam Yata Shambho, that the Supreme Personality of Godhead is Krishna, and the best among all Vaishnavas or devotees of Krishna is Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva also kind of like trick his sincere followers, just as Ekadasi is the most auspicious day to worship or to fast for worshipping Lord Krishna, the very next day, which is also considered quite pure, is the special day for worshipping Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva tricks his followers in somehow or other doing some austerity so that they'll become pleased with Lord Krishna. Having said that, Lord Shiva then is most happy and most pleased and find that his mission is successful, that if his follower can actually realize the truth and realize his supreme position and become a devotee like him, instead of thinking him to be the supreme lord. So instead of thinking Shiva to be a supreme lord, which he doesn't claim or he doesn't want to be seen as, but the person comes to the truth and understand and joins Lord Shiva in worshipping Lord Krishna. So then Lord Shiva is eternally, ultimately happy. So then what is the mood or what is the mission of ISKCON? Are they going around changing people's belief? Well, actually, there's only one belief, that we are all devotees of God. So we are just reviving that consciousness that we are all devotees of God, and those different demigods and devatas that you're worshipping, that you're praying to, they are also devotees of God. But we are approaching them for some material needs, some powerful needs. But to the point where we come and realize that they are just better devotees than me, and we all join with them in worshipping the Lord. That is the supreme perfection. Hare Krishna.